Hello, welcome to Toys Are Evil. I am going to be doing an assortment of things, looking at certain figures and doing unboxing. All these from Mox Monsters at Pop Toy Show. Currently on till the 23rd of August at booth AA19. So grab them when you can in person. So whatever I'm talking about, the them, it are two key things on the order sheet. Goldfish balls is blind box and Sofubi. Let's have a look at the Sofubi first. This is not going to be, this is more blind box orientated, but at the same time have a look at the Sofubi itself. And this is vinyl, okay? It's a vinyl toy, the first ever from Mox Monsters, based on Benny Chong S.C. Ong's characters, golden fish balls. It's awesome, man, with the heels. So probably I'll take another closer look later on. This is limited to only 20 pieces at a Pop Toy Show. And also for the purchase of the blind box itself, I think two, I'm not really sure. Check out their Instagram, Mox Monsters, MOXMONSTERS, to see the details on how you can able to get this dude by buying this dude. Okay, so the main thing for this video, toy review video, is an unboxing of their blind box figure goldfish balls based on Benny Chong's characters. 6 characters to be had, made in Singapore. What I did was, before I opened this, what I did was a time-lapse unboxing of this figure, Vincent, that I pulled earlier on. You can see the video on my stream. So this is the figure. Vincent is his name. Here's how I look. The quirkiness of the character, designed by Benny, made real by Mox Monsters. This is the figure and this is the card. Vincent. Very nice. Cut some more. Nice, right? Nice, right? Okay, put this aside. Now let's have a look at what's inside this box. Do a bit of turnaround. Lots of text. There's a question for you folks. Do you all read the text on the box? Let me know in the comments. This video is going to be on my reels on my Instagram after this live. So please leave a comment to let me know if any of you read the text on the box itself, not just this blind box, any other blind box, which to me is always an interesting premise because all the details are here, QR codes, you know, all the details you need to know about the production, or rather the origins of the figure. Yeah. Having said that, time to unbox. Tricky lah. I had a same issue. I couldn't tear open the covers, and I don't think I can do this well without spoiling the box, so I'm just going to tear into it. Very sad, but damns the fact lah. Okay, there's a card inside. I don't want to see too clear, not very clear, so it's okay. I don't know what figure it is, but then again, to be fair, this might be a chase version of the character. Okay, nice sealable bag too, which to me is very awesome lah. We're so used to having a printed sealed bag, but to me, another question I have for you folks, for folks who buy blind bags or blind boxes, sorry, do you all keep the bags that the figures come in? Do you actually keep it or chuck that bag away? So I'm curious. I am guilty of keeping sometimes. I have no idea why. I'm just hoarder. But more recently, I've been trying to control myself and get rid of the bag, at least for me. It serves no purpose unless information is printed on the bag. Does it make sense? Instead of printed on the box, it's printed on the bag. So my excuse is I need to read the information. But if there's no information, then quite a few bags are just, with patterns and whatnot. No need to keep, right? Right. Leave your comments in. Leave your comments in the comments. I'm not making sense right now, man. My brain's a little bit fried. I just came back from Pop Toy Show. Yes, had a decent dinner, but I think it's time to sleep lah. Okay. Actually shouldn't be feeling figure. I'm not great with blind boxes, so I'm not skilled enough to feel and know what's going on, but whatever, dude, whatever. It's funny because Kenneth from Mox Monster asked me, is there any particular figure that I want? So when I pull it, then whether or not I get that figure. And it's something personally for me. And I said this to someone else. I'm not great with blind boxes. My luck is never great. But since I've started blind boxes, I made it a point not to, how should I put it, not to choose what I want. Because it's either I'm disappointed or I'm not. Then I'd rather not be disappointed. I'll just literally blind and just pull and see if I like the figure or not. Instead of, I want this, I hope to get this, which maybe does not make a good online video make lah, there isn't a before and after, it's just purely just pull, but that's just my life lah. Hey, why am I so worried to pull this figure out? Oh my gosh, why is it so hard to, okay, got a fin, I mean they're all fins lah, goldfish balls. Ta-da! I got this is not Choo Choo. Wait, I show you Choo Choo. This was unpainted Choo Choo I got from Mox Monsters. Thanks, bro. So this is unpainted Choo Choo. This is painted, but this is not Choo Choo. Oh, I like the fish balls like Ninja Killer Assassin. So let me put this dude down. So in theory, I have 3 fish balls, but one is unpainted lah. Love the hair line. It looks as if his brains are popping out. Love the placement of the stab fish balls. Look at the painter quality. The black belt is hilarious. Does it have a buckle? No, it goes up to the mouth. Okay, let me put this down and see who this figure is from the card. Right. I appreciate cards because it doesn't make me stupid. Goldie Pumps. Why the name so long? Wow, like boxer like that. Cool. It's a rebellious, street fighting goldfish win ready, who loses its mind whenever its golden pump are mocked. Okay, winner. Love the little stories that go with this, folks. Golden pumps. Man, this is sweet. Pretty sweet. Well done, Mox Monsters. Well done, Benny. Sorry you're not painted, you stay there. So we have a look at these 2 figures which I pulled from the blind box series that's currently available at Pop Toy Show. Sorry, not Pop Mart. Yes, I'm losing my brains. Pop Toy Show Singapore, happening right now. 23rd of August is the last day, Sunday, at MBS. Go to booth AA19 and grab these blind boxes from Mox Monsters. Cool? Yeah. And with that, I will end this unboxing and video. And thank you for watching, man. Enjoy.